guys, welcome back to my channel One Stop Vegetarian, your ultimate guide for vegan and vegetarian recipes. If you are new here, my name is Ekta and I try to bring new recipes for you in this channel, be it Indian or international. So let's see what's in the store today. Tortilla soup is a traditional Mexican soup made of baked tortilla pieces submerged into vegetable broth, garlic, onions, tomato, corns and beans. I am going to use garlic tortilla wraps for this recipe. 3 wraps were cut into half. And then sliced into thin strips. I will prepare them for baking. For that, I put them into a tray and then sprinkle some pink salt, red chili powder and black pepper powder. Later, we toss some extra virgin olive oil and mix them all together. Now it's time to bake them. The tray was kept in the oven and the temperature was set to 150 degrees C for 15 minutes. Flip the tortilla strips occasionally. In the meanwhile, let's move to other ingredients. Here, I took some chopped capsicum, red onion, green chili and garlic, corn and some boiled red kidney beans. I will use a special Korean red pepper paste to activate the taste buds. And homemade tomato puree prepared from 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I will also use some soya chunks and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Let's saute all the veggies together. Take a deep pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add chopped onion and capsicum, garlic and chili. Now add the soya chunks, mix them and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. By this time, our crispy tortilla strips are ready, so let's take them out of the oven. Now add the boiled beans and corn into the mix and spice it up with pepper paste and roasted cumin powder. Add the tomato puree and top up the vegetable broth and half of the tortilla strips. Mix everything, add salt to taste and bring it to boil while cooking for 12 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, turn off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let it sit for 10 minutes before serving. The soup is now ready to be served. Take the soup out in a soup bowl. It can be served with crispy tortilla strips, avocado slices, shredded cheese, spring onions, fresh coriander leaves and sour cream. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. There is a lot more coming your way, so to keep yourself updated, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking!